A very blissful morning, everyone. Dear students, as per schedule, your computer class is there, and I know that you must be awaiting for your class, isn't it? Great. Dear students, before studying today's class, all of you know that Indian Heritage Week is going on. In last class, I had discussed with you about one of the monuments that was Qutub Minar. Now I will tell you something more interesting. Red Fort. The Red Fort was originally white, dear students. The British painted it red after the white plaster faded off. Next, dear students, I will tell you India is home to seven great unparalleled traditions. The spirituality of India, Ayurveda, Indian music, Indian food, Indian fabric and attire, information technology, and tourism. These seven aspects are truly those which India can be proud about. What are those seven aspects? The spirituality of India, Ayurveda, Indian music, Indian food, Indian fabric and attire, information technology, and tourism. These seven aspects are truly those which India can be proud about. We must honor and develop these seven aspects. India's economy will then start growing once again. So, dear students, welcome back to your online class, computer class. In last class, we have read, we had read chapter number 2, types of software. So, some contents were left for reading and for understanding. Now, we will be reading next content from language processor. Each software is created. How the software is created? In software, programs are written, dear students. Programs are written in computer programming language. Some of the popular computer programming languages are Java, C and C++. As we know that a computer can understand only the machine language, which comprises of zeros and ones. In computer, only machine language is there, which comprise of zeros and one. Only zeros and one form will be understood by the computer. Therefore, programs written in this programming language cannot be recognized by a computer. Hence, a language processor plays a vital role in translating the programming language into machine language. So, software is written in programming language, but computer cannot understand programming language. Computer can understand only machine language. So, we need to convert programming language into machine language. How? Language processor helps to convert. It plays a vital role in translating the programming language into machine language so that computer can understood easily. Next, interpreter. An interpreter translates the program code line by line and simultaneously executes the converted line. If any error is found, it displays the error and does not proceed until the error is rectified. Interpreter, what it does, it translates the program code line by line. First of all, it will check first line, then executes, then second line, then executes. But in first line or in second line, if any error or mistake is there, it shows the error, it displays the error and does not proceed until the error is corrected, until the error is rectified. Next is compiler. Compiler is also a translator program, but it converts the whole program into machine language code, machine code in one go. In one time, it translates the whole program into machine code. It generates the object code for program along with the list of errors. When it converts the whole program, then it will show the list of errors, list of mistakes. But what is the difference between interpreter and compiler? Interpreter translates the program code line by line, and compiler translates the program at one go. Next is application software. These are sets of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airlines or railway reservation system. Computer languages are used to create these types of software. The application software can be further divided into two categories: general purpose application software and special purpose, specific purpose application software. General purpose, these are called packages, and special purpose, these are called customized software. So application software is what? These are the sets of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs. How? Like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airlines or railway reservation system, etc. So computer language are used to create these types of software. Two types of software I will discuss. First is general purpose application programs. So these software can perform many tasks to fulfill the general needs of the users. Some examples. First is word processing software. A word processing helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. It provides many features to change the appearance of a text in a desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text, and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per your requirement. Dear students, in Word, Microsoft Word, I think you must be aware of Microsoft Word and WordPad and OpenOffice Writer, so that you can write a letter and you can beautify your letter with different formats. So this is called word processing software. Picture is here. Next is electronic spreadsheet. It is also called Excel, Microsoft Excel. A spreadsheet program that helps us to perform calculations and display the data in form of a chart to analyze in a better way. It is used to creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its application areas are financial accounting, cost analysis, interest calculations. VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. Examples are Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice, Calc, Calculator, etc. Calc means calculator. So dear students, why we use Microsoft Excel? We can enter the data. For example, I'll tell you one example. Suppose we have to prepare a class result. You are studying in 5th standard and I need to prepare a class result on Excel. So how I will prepare? I will enter your marks subject wise in Excel, and formulas are there. You can apply different formulas for calculating your total marks, sum of marks, your average, your percentage. So for this Microsoft Excel electronic spreadsheet you can use. Next is, dear students, database management system. Each one of us uses database unknowingly in our daily routine. For example, telephone directory is there, payroll information. So database software help us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. Right? You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print and retrieve the information stored in a database. Database, you can store many informations related to one software. For example, telephone directories are there. All of you know that in telephone directories, various types of organization for phone numbers are there. So we can easily create, add, update, sort, search, print and retrieve the information. Next is presentation software. Must be aware of Microsoft PowerPoint, in which slides are made. It is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. So this software helps you to create and display slides on a computer or a projector for business and educational purposes. It lets you create slides, create charts, create animation, create video clips. So some examples are Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Adobe Flash, etc. Next, desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents. Text data you can add graphic data also, like newsletters, printed form, advertisement, books, brochures, posters, magazines, etc. So examples of these software is CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express, etc. Graphic software, it is used to create images such as charts, graphs, photographs, logos, cartoons and much more. Graphic software are Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver. Next is multimedia software. It is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics and text with a higher degree of interaction. So for multimedia software, game software, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. So this was general purpose application software, that was packages. Now dear students, special purpose application software, it is clear from the name itself that it meets specific needs. The softwares which are designed to meet the specific needs of any user are called specific purpose application program software. For example, Tally is used to prepare accounts, or BZ, etc. Such software, they are known as customized software. Some of the customized software are reservation system, billing system, payroll system. They are special purpose, specific, they are meeting the specific needs of any user. So some points are there. We can revise, we can recapitulation we can do. The software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. All of you know software is of two types, system software and application software. System software is a collection of programs that controls the overall programs and internal working. And operating system can control the overall the activities of a computer. Utility programs perform specific tasks related to managing a computer, its device or its programs. Language processor plays a vital role in translating the programming language into machine language. And application software as what are set of programs developed by programmer in order to perform specific types of jobs. So dear students, we have discussed general purpose and application purpose software, application software basically. Now you have to read this chapter carefully, and after this I have sent you one worksheet in which this chapter back exercise I have written. So dear students, you have to do your back exercise in your book only. Thank you. God bless you.